Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Maha Math Springs.
Friends, in my last video I have explained about what is the polynomial. So what is a polynomial? In an algebraic expression having the power of the variable should be non-negative integral power. So non-negative integral is nothing but it is a whole number, positive integer. So the power of the variable should be positive integer and it is not a fractional number. If it is a fractional, that is not a polynomial. So in this video we are going to discuss about types of polynomial. So here some different kinds of types of polynomial is there based on terms and based on degrees. So first let us see based on terms. So what is the terms? I have already explained, you know about what is the term. It must be split by plus or minus sign, then it is called one term. Okay friends, if the polynomial having only one term is there, means that name of the term is monomial. Mono is nothing but how many terms? Only one terms. So for example of mono is nothing but one term. So the polynomial having one term is there, means that name of the term is monomial. For example, constant also is a monomial. So constant is nothing but only one term. We can write as x power 0 is nothing but anything power 0 is 1. So 1 into 5, 5 only. So constant is also a only one term. It is a monomial. Even it can also be a variable. So you can take any other variable like x, y, z, any other a, b, c, any other letter, that is also a only one term. It can be also a variable and it can be also combined by constant and variable is also called a one term. So I am going to take 5x. It is also called a one term. So these are monomial. So you need to understand the different kinds of polynomial is there. If it is term 2 terms are having, one polynomial is having 2 terms, means that name of the term is binomial. Bi is nothing but 2. So for example of binomial is 3x plus 7, 5x square yz plus 8. So these all having 2 terms. Here 3x one term and 7 is. So total 2 terms. Here 5x square yz is one term, 8 is another term. So these are binomial. Okay friends, so each monomial is a polynomial. Why? Because of it is a polynomial. The power of the variable should be positive, then we can say it is a polynomial. So it is very important, one mark. Each monomial is a polynomial, each binomial is also a polynomial. Why? Because we are having the power of the variable should be positive integral power. Okay, if the polynomial having 3 terms, if the polynomial having 3 term is nothing, 3 term is called trinomial. Tri is nothing but 3. So how many number of terms? 3 terms will be there. So take any other example of 3 terms. 7x plus y plus z, 5y minus x plus 3z. So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. So different variable. If you take, ma'am said 3 terms. So if you take like in this 5y minus x plus y, if you take like this, it is not a 3 terms. Why? Because of 5y plus y is nothing but 6y minus x. So if you solve this one, we are getting totally 2 terms. So it is not a trinomial. We have to take different kinds of the variable. So here 1, 2, 3. So 3 terms is called a trinomial. So 1, 2, 3. 5y one term, x another term and 3z. So 3 term is called a trinomial. So next let us discuss about what is the based on degrees. Based on degrees. So here degree is nothing but the variable power of the variable. So here terms is nothing but how many terms. So based on terms, one term is mono, 2 terms means binomial, 3 terms means trinomial. So here degrees means coming to degree is power of the variable. So the given polynomial, the highest power of the variable is 1 is there, means that name of the polynomial is linear polynomial. So linear is nothing but the variable power, degree is 1. Okay, understood? The general form of the linear polynomial is ax plus b. ax plus b. So it is a polynomial with x. Okay, so what is the variable we took? X. So what is the power of the variable is there? 1. X is nothing but x power 1. So we are having the highest variable power is 1. So that name is called linear polynomial. Okay ma'am. So here what is the a and b? So here a and b are constants. So any integers. Okay friends. Coming to the highest power of the variable. The given polynomial, the highest power of the variable is 2. 2 is there means that name of the polynomial is quadratic polynomial. So what is a polynomial? Quadratic. So 2 is there means that is quadratic polynomial. So general form ax square plus bx plus c. So this is a polynomial, general polynomial with power with variable x I took. So you can take any other variable, it should be same. If you are taking y means a y square plus by plus c. So I have taken x variable. So here what is the power of the highest power of the variable is 2. So if it is highest power of the variable 2 means what is the name? Quadratic polynomial. Coming to the highest power of the variable, the given polynomial, the highest power of variable 3 is there means that is cubic polynomial. So 3 means cubic. Understood? General form of cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So the polynomial is always will be decreasing, is nothing but highest number starting, highest number to decreasing, it will go to decreasing order. So x cube, x square, x power 1 is nothing but x power 0. So we will not mention x power 0. Why? Because the x power 0 is nothing but 1. So that's why I didn't write here. Here the power of the variable, highest power of the variable is 3. So 3 is there means what I said? Cubic polynomial. Coming to the highest power of the variable 4 is there means that is biquadratic polynomial. So biquadratic is nothing but the highest power of variable is 4. So general form ax power 4. Why? Because of highest is 4. So x power 4, then it will be decreasing. So bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. So here a, b, c, d and e are constants, any other number. For example of linear polynomial, you can take 2x plus 3. So here a plus 2 is there, b plus 3 is there. So a and b are constant, not only positive, any other negative also you can take or fractional also you can take. So with polynomial with x. Or you can take 2y plus 3. So any other variable you can take. But it should be the same variable. Coming to quadratic and cubic, you cannot take ax square plus by. Okay, understood? Okay. Now let us discuss about what is the degrees of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial is very important, one of the concept this one. So how to find the degree of the polynomial is nothing but highest power of the variable. So let us see if the polynomial having only one variable is nothing but, like for example 3x cube plus 5x power 7 plus 8x. So it is a polynomial, so this having the variable is x. So if only one variable means how to find the degree. So degree is nothing but highest power of the variable. So where is this highest power? We have to check the each term. So here in this first term, what is the power is there? 3. Coming to the second term, what is the power? 7. Coming to third term, what is the power is 1. So here which one is the highest power of the variable? 7. So therefore our answer is the degree of the polynomial is 7. If the polynomial having more than one variable means how to find the degree. Let us see one example for more than one variable. Like 5x square y square plus 7xyz plus 3x square y square z square is there. Z square is there. Okay. So here in this polynomial having more than one variable, x, y, z also is there. Okay. So we have to check each term. Each term what is the degree of the variable. So coming to the first term, so how many variables are there? 2 variables are there. So we have to add the sum of these powers. So 2 plus 2, 4. So in the first term the degree is 4. So our answer is not 4, we have to check. Why? Because the highest power of the variable. So coming to the second term, how many variables are there? 3 variables are there. We have to sum of 3 variables power. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. The second term power is 3. Coming to the third term, what is the, we have to add the sum of all the powers. So 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Okay, so now check which one is the highest variable power is 6. So the degree of the polynomial is 6. Okay friends, so most of the students coming to here only they will get confused. Why? Because of ma'am said highest power of the variable. So highest power means 2 only is there. So they will write directly 2, not like that. If it is more than one variable means we have to add the power of the variable. Okay friends, I hope you understand the today concept. Based on the today concept, I gave these 2 questions. So try yourself and write your answer in the comment box. So if you have any doubts or clarification in this video, you can post in the comment box. Thank you friends.
Thanks for watching our channel. Please like, share and comment, and also new viewers subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon.